Hello, Purple Pianist here. I'm going to show you how to make a blonde brownie in a mug. So what you'll need is a mug, obviously, brown sugar, flour, baking powder, butter, and water. I don't have the water pre-measured, so it's not out. So essentially, you take a tablespoon of butter, toss it in your mug, and go over here to the microwave, and pop it in for about 30 seconds to melt. And while that's melting, you can measure out, we gotta get out the measuring spoon here, a tablespoon brown sugar. I apologize if you're getting motion sickness from this. And let's get out of the little dish to pre-measure everything in. Smaller. Yep. Some brown sugar. Just a little pinch of baking soda, if you can see. That's too much even. So I'll just put a little bit in there. So, okay, our butter's all done. And it doesn't need to be all the way melted, just mostly so it's softened, so you can cream the butter and sugar together. So, dump in the sugar and nice and like that. Then take a tablespoon of flour. Add it in with your brown sugar and baking soda. And stir, stir, stir. Take a crumbly dough. A dough-like substance. So then we go over into the sink. Get a tablespoon of water. I'm going to turn off the water in a second. So add the water. Turn off the sink and mix some more. This is really easy. I love doing this when I have friends over or whatnot. It's a sweet little snack or dessert. So, alright, then we pop it in the microwave again. And we microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. So I put it on Express cook for a minute, but I'll stop at about 45 seconds in and show you what it looks like. So now we wait. And for this you can add sprinkles, you can add white chocolate chips, cranberries, even regular chocolate chips, whatever floats your boat really. But I love this and it's so yummy. It reminds me of the Applebee's blonde brownies that you can get, and you could even put like maple syrup or something on it for extra yumminess, and ice cream. There's so many things you can do with this. So, alright, we have 45 seconds in and theoretically it is all done. So that is how you make a blonde brownie in a mug in the microwave. And hope you enjoy.